Hello darlings, today I'll be creating a quick and easy peach makeup look that's perfect for the spring or summer season, and I'll also be using all affordable products. I'm first priming my face using the City Color Primer Oil, and then I'm using the Cover Perfection Tip Concealer in 01 by the brand called the Saem. I'm then applying the No. 7 Tinted Moisturizer in Fair. For bronzer, I'm using the e.l.f. contouring powder in Turks and Caicos and using both of these shades. The next steps are highlight and blush, and I'm using a new technique by applying them with a damp beauty blender. I find that this creates a beautiful and natural glow from within effect. I find using powder to fill in the brows is the most natural way, so today I'm using the NYX Eyebrow Cake Powder in dark brown. Now for eyeshadow, I'm first using the shade Polite to set my eyes, and then I'm applying the shade Ecstatic into my crease. I'm also taking the shade Outspoken very light-handedly into my crease to add some more dimension. Next, I'm using the same blush we used previously called Playful and applying this to the center of my eyelid. I'm then dragging Ecstatic onto my lower lash line and highlighting my inner corner and brow bone using the same highlighter we used previously called Dreamy. Now I'm just curling my lashes using the Kevin Aiken lash curler, and then I'm applying some Loreal Lash Paradise mascara. For my lips today, I'm using the Profusion Peach Matte Lip Liner, and then I'm setting my face with the Pixi Makeup Fixing Mist. I hope you all enjoyed this 5-minute makeup look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you next time.